Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my boyfriend Mike, aka Husky, H-E-S Husky.
Hey guys!
I will be putting all of his links down below. He has a YouTube channel.
I do.
There's gonna be a video on my channel today and a video on his channel because somebody went a little ridiculous with how much breakfast food they ordered, and it was me. And so we were like, this needs to be 2 videos. So we're doing one for breakfast and then one for lunch.
It's a lot of cereal.
So in the past, I've filmed a few trying weird cereals with my girlfriend Justine, with Lauren, and it was so much fun, and I got so many requests from you guys to make more of them, and I went a little crazy.
And also, why do you look like you're hosting a daytime show?
Welcome to the Rose Show, Michael. Oh my God, and my sleeve's undone.
Oh, the Rose Show's falling apart.
So the Rose Show is off to a great start. Michael, my co-anchor, host, whatever, could you tie my sleeve?
Is it supposed to be a bow?
This one came undone too. Michael,
Maybe that's
help
the
me.
look. Maybe
Michael, help me. I've come undone.
This doesn't look right.
If you guys are enjoying these kind of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video.
What do we got for
Okay,
me?
to go with my morning coffee, have I got us some breakfast foods. Breakfast cereal. It's Captain Crunch cotton candy flavor.
It's basically Crunch Berries, but cotton candy I love.
Then we got s'mores cereal.
Okay, that's interesting.
These are desserts when you go camping. How is this a cereal? I'm so excited about this.
And there's little chocolate balls in there, and it looks like marshmallows. We'll see if they're actual marshmallows.
Okay, then we've got Kisses. Are you kidding?
The candy?
Candy Kisses.
They're even in the shape
cereal.
of Kisses. They kind of look like beakers, but hey.
Eggos. You know I love Eggos.
Like the waffles. Maple flavored homestyle waffle cereal.
And last but not least, Mike, you're gonna love
And this is only for your video. I can't even
Are
line them all
you
up here.
kidding?
Twinkie cereal?
Made a cereal. Little Twinkies in a cereal bowl. Okay, where do we even start?
I mean, you gotta start with Twinkies. That's what I normally have for breakfast, so.
Okay, let's try. Michael, can you open this one?
Allow me. Breakfast
Okay.
is served.
I'm so excited.
It smells really good.
Oh wait, I'm coming undone. Hold on. Just give me a zhuzh. Thank you.
They kind of look orange. I don't know if that's showing up, but they definitely look orange.
Oh, they're smaller. I thought they'd be a little bigger, but they're actually a little smaller.
It smells ultra sweet. You
Let me smell.
Like super sweet.
Oh, that smells like candy.
Okay, we gotta
This
try it.
is
We
the
gotta try
cereal
it.
my mom would never buy for
Oh,
me.
never.
But now that I'm an adult, I can buy as much as I want. We only have almond milk because of Molly. Are you ready for this?
I'm so excited.
Twinkie cereal, hype, hype, hype. I'm so excited for this.
A bowl full of Twinkies.
I want it to taste just like a Twinkie.
So I don't think they're cream filled.
They're delicious.
But they're coated in like a sugar glaze. So I think that's supposed to be similar to the cream filling. I don't know if I would guess Twinkie if I did this blindfolded.
I don't think I would guess Twinkie either. Okay, now I think this is a win.
I would say like a 4 out of 5 for me. I love it.
Okay, I think this is a win. I think it's delicious. It wasn't really the flavor I was expecting, but it was really good. Now I get to pick one next.
Okay, let's
Okay,
go.
I've been talking about this cotton candy. I am really trying to have a dessert for breakfast here. I want to know, does this taste like cotton candy? Ready? Boom, matching bowls. I wasn't planning that, but this is working out.
Yeah. Can I say it's so cute you had to lay down the box to open it because it's too tall?
Not all of us are 6'2" and can open things way up here
can't even see
with
over
our
it.
long hands.
Okay, smell that.
Oh, that's sweet. That's sweeter than the last cereal.
I don't know how, but it is.
This is just sugar cotton candy, I think.
I want it. I
Number
want it.
one ingredient, cotton candy. Look at these, they're little cotton candy balls. I want to have one without.
Rose jumping right in.
Oh my gosh, they're so good. Oh, they taste like cotton candy. Wow, I feel like I'm at the fair.
It's still got the familiar Captain Crunch taste, but I'm sensing a little cotton candy.
Wow, they nailed it. That's cotton candy.
Would you eat this as a non-novelty, just to eat it?
Yes, and that's why I had to build myself a gym.
Yeah.
in my home. We both have this in common. We love food.
Yeah.
So we have to practice balance, which is like we eat delicious food and then, you know, tomorrow and the next day we gotta eat a lot of veggies, we gotta eat a lot of lean protein. We gotta make good decisions. So do you wanna have next Tagos Kisses or S'mores?
Now this is probably controversial,
Uh-oh.
but I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate breakfast cereals. There's just something weird about chocolate in a bowl to me.
Oh,
so I'm
okay.
gonna do Eggos. Bro, not to be outdone, my bowls are kind of themed-ish for this. They're kind of the color of a waffle, right?
Yeah, these are like the flat ones. Oh look, they got little games on the back. Okay, I love Eggos. Maple flavored home style waffle cereal.
This smells very syrupy.
Wait. Does it smell like an Eggo? It smells more like maple syrup.
A lot of syrup in here for sure.
Okay, let's try it.
All right, let's see how much maple flavor comes
Did they
through.
go too hard on the maple and not enough waffle?
So here's our bowl of waffles.
I feel like it's a lighter flavor than it smells.
I was gonna say the same thing. It's not
It's
as
a lighter.
mapley as your nose would lead you to believe.
I'm in love with these. I think these may be my favorite so far.
There's no gimmick here. This should be in our pantry every day.
Eggos and Eggo cereal. It's like take your pick.
There you go.
Both delicious.
Why not both?
Oh. Oh my god, how do I spill on everything I own? Oh, I love this.
I just want to keep eating this all day.
Save your appetite, don't overdo it
Okay.
because I have a couple more flavors. Okay, so I know you don't like chocolate, but
I'm not the
I
biggest
love
fan.
chocolate. I want to try Hershey Kisses cereal, and they're even shaped like little Hershey Kisses. Mmm, coffee's so good. Okay, coffee and chocolate is just like, yes.
A normal breakfast for you?
I wish. It is today though. All right, so let's try this. Come
All right.
on, General Mios.
These are
Give
pretty
us
big,
give
actually.
us some chocolate.
Okay, breathe it right when it opens.
Okay,
Is
okay,
chocolate
okay,
hitting
okay.
your face? Are you bathing in chocolate?
No.
What? Yeah, not really. It's like a little, but not as much as you think.
You know what? You might like this because it seems really light.
Maybe it's more muted, yeah.
I'll pour you a bowl. So fancy, I have manners.
Yes, so
I mean-
true. Okay, and we're off. Well, it's all over the counter now. I'm gonna put some back in the box. It's okay to do this.
Can I just eat them off the table?
I
The
mean-
table's clean.
I cleaned it right before this, so I feel like
Just put
it's
them
a
in my
2-minute
bowl.
rule. It's fine.
2-minute rules. So this is what the cereal looks like. And why does it look like dog kibble? Doesn't it kind of look like, I mean, I get what they were going for, that it would look like a little Hershey's Kiss, which is such a cute idea, but it kind of looks like a science beaker.
I know, it's like a science beaker. I feel like a certain emoji. I mean, really, your imagination can run wild with what this looks like.
Oh, wait, take.
I would say that's moderately chocolatey.
I would say it tastes more chocolatey than it smells.
Definitely agree with that.
So far, that's my analysis, but let's put it to the test. Not bad. I like chocolate cereals.
To me, it tastes exactly like chocolate frosting that you would get from the store.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like to me, which I'm not mad at it. I don't know, I just wouldn't eat chocolate for breakfast, I don't think.
So this may not be your cup of tea,
So we'll
but
have to
it's not
default
bad.
to you compared to other chocolate cereals. How is it?
This is the only chocolate cereal I've ever had, so it's great.
So it's the best.
So the ratings are in. It's good.
Cool. I definitely just snuck more Eggo waffles.
Okay, let's see if this.
We'll finish strong with our teal bowls.
I found these cute little bowls from Anthropology. They had a bunch of them.
But were you there to get candles? That's the real question.
Yes. Ding, ding, ding. Mike wins the game show prize. You win a bag of
S'more
s'more cereal.
cereal.
I'm going to let you pour it after what happened last time.
3 different flavors. Which one do you smell? Which one hits you first?
Graham cracker.
Yeah, that's what I smell too. Wait,
Oh, yeah.
This looks like a real marshmallow. Obviously, it's like dehydrated because it's cereal.
Maybe when it hits the water, it'll fluff up. It's perfect. It's all the components of a s'more. You got the graham crackers, and then a little ball of chocolate, and then these little dehydrated marshmallows.
You can kind of make an actual s'more out of it.
Let's do it. Let's make an actual s'more.
Okay, so this is a s'more.
Okay, I'm gonna eat one too.
All right, s'mores cheer.
Okay, s'mores.
It's so interesting because there's 3 different flavors.
It's so good.
And you can taste them all. The graham cracker is really good.
It's really good. One of my favorite cereals is Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Yeah.
And the little...
The
Oh
graham
my
cracker is so
gosh.
good. What is the graham cracker?
Delicious. Here you go, Michael.
Love it. Okay, I have an evenly balanced bite.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta say, another controversial opinion I have is I don't normally like marshmallows in my cereal. There's just something weird about it, but these ones are different. These ones are better, and I think they actually complement the cereal.
This is hands down way better than I thought it would be.
Absolutely.
I'm surprised because out of all the boxes, I thought this would be like, okay. And it's delicious.
This is so good. This might be my favorite.
A surprising twist, you guys. This one tastes way better than it even appears. I would say it's the underrated cereal. It's sneaky. It comes in there and then it hits your taste buds and then it's like, boom, amazing.
So I noticed the graham cracker gets soft right away. And Ro, do you like your cereal? Do you let it soak in the milk a little bit, or do you eat it right away?
I eat it right away.
Maybe this is like my segue into liking chocolate cereal. Maybe it's like my entry point.
I can't believe what I'm hearing. I've known this man almost 11 years and he's so particular, and I can't believe you just said you actually liking a cereal with a little bit of chocolate in there.
This is life-changing.
Whoa!
This is a big moment for me.
So your girlfriend did good and found some cool new cereals that you were actually impressed by. So that does it for all the cereals that I have to try on my channel in this video, but we have some more. We just need to take a break. We are gonna try the rest of them for lunch over on Mike's channel, so go check them out. So before I end the video, I have a few questions. One, what cereal do you guys think you would like the most? Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these cereals, and if so, which one was your favorite? Let me pull them out so you can remember which ones we tried today. And now my second question, Mike, which one was your favorite today?
Without a doubt, I think it was the s'mores. The surprise dark horse underdog, it was so good. I don't understand why the graham crackers are so good.
I can't believe you like this.
I don't know what to say. I don't know myself anymore. I don't know who I am, but I like the s'mores.
My 2 favorite were these because I feel like I could eat a million bowls of these, not just like one bowl. I agree with you.
The s'mores.
The most underdog, underrated. I didn't think that I would love this as much because s'mores aren't my favorite dessert.
Same.
If I have a s'more or cotton candy, I'm going for cotton candy. So I never thought that I would be going for it in a cereal form because it's great. All right, that does it for this video. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting it, and a big thank you to my boyfriend, my Husky, HS Husky, for doing this with me.
This was so fun. I could do this all day, every day. I love cereal.
You were amazing and a huge trooper. We are gonna be eating a lot of cereal today, and I know you love cereal, but this is a lot.
Hands down the most cereal I've had in one day ever.
So if you would like to see us try even more weird cereals, go check out Mike's channel. I'll put a link down below. We are trying for lunch a lot of other cereals. Also, if you like watching foodies trying new foods, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and my other social medias. I'll put them on the screen here. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Oh, here. Or you can click over there, and this one has a lot more cereal.
This one's really fun.
Is it as good as s'mores cereal, however? Is there such a thing that is as good as this? I don't know, because...
Yes, my video is as good as a s'mores cereal.
Gotta go.